mundane PLC to kind of just wrap your mind around individual student growth?
I have started doing a lot of assignments where students have to do it by hand. So if let's see, I'm going to share my desktop really quick. So I've got a folder, which again, I know that's a whole other thing. I've got a folder with a million assignments in it. And this gives me an opportunity to go back and, for example, look at student work where they started. I did a lot of the first couple of lessons where I would take a snippet of their work. I would kind of give them hints, give them kind of a direction of where to go. And then where I went with that is now I'm more to the point where with their assignments, I'm giving them feedback more in a way where it's just, using words rather than me actually showing them the steps. So what I mean by that is I want them to become more familiar with the vocabulary. So I'm doing a little bit less of, like I said, showing the actual algebra behind a step and more using the vocabulary to help them understand. So, but going back to this, so in my documents, my MTSS documents, one thing that I've been doing that's been kind of nice is I've been comparing just in the last week my benchmark to my interim. So my benchmark had 20 questions on it, and of those 20 questions, 8 of those questions I placed on my interim, and my interim was 15 questions. So about 50% of my interim came from my benchmark. So it gave me an opportunity to see a couple of things. One thing that I did is I based up their score. So for example, you take Tim Adamson. Okay, on the benchmark, he did not get this question right. On the interim, he did. So what I did, again, 0 being wrong, 1 being right. What I did is I'm tracking their growth versus whether they're just proficient, meaning that if they got it the first time and got it the second time, then I state that. To me, that means they're proficient. They still understand it. And then the last one was none, neither. Like they're not showing any progress. So it was kind of interesting to see because you can see on each question that I've done so far, if you go and you look through some of these students, they might have made growth on 2 of the concepts, like take Isaac, for example. But then on this other concept, okay, well, this is algebra-based. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit of an idea out of Isaac. I'm going to say, okay, Isaac's geometry, maybe a little bit more geometry-minded. He's grown a little bit in terms of his geometry skills, but in terms of algebra, looks like he's still not getting it, like order of operations. He might be able to take a shape and manipulate something out of that shape, but when it comes to algebra, not so much. So then what that does for me is when I come to my class each day, I can pull Isaac and say, okay, Isaac, well, it looks like we weren't really making much progress here. It looks like I've noticed you're still struggling with order of operations. So I can pull up some examples. We can work one-on-one. Again, creating that idea of the small groups. So that's kind of been nice so far. Again, this is allowing me to really dive deeper into the assessment side of it. And what I mean by that is my interim, my benchmark, looking deeper into that. Because I feel like with my assignments, you're going to see again, like on some of these guys' my student work that I have, okay? They're submitting individual questions or individual assignments, and that gives me an opportunity to find their mistakes, find where they're going wrong, and I can kind of see that through class. So that's kind of, tell you, Tim, if I look at my MTS document, that's also something that's great, my overall data. I can see where he's gone in terms of where he started and where he has and ended as far as our interim or our from our benchmark to our interim, but I want more detailed information. I think that's where those assignments come into play. So that's been kind of nice. Again, I like this assignment or assessment comparison because I can even go to the bottom and I can look at the very bottom, and I've kind of given myself an idea of, okay, of my 85 students or 84 students, okay, 43% of them have shown growth in this question. Okay, 30% of them are proficient in it. Okay, so that means that I've still got that gap. I don't total to make 100% growth or proficiency, right? I'm still lacking a good 30% or less than that are still not understanding that concept. So that helps me understand, you know, is this something I need to go back on? This is one thing that I thought was interesting, is this barely, out of the two of these, if you combine those, that's like, what, 55% roughly? So half of my class is still struggling with a concept that they shouldn't be. I mean, we're jumping into volume right now, and it makes sense why my student, I mean, this number is now making sense to me. Now I know even more why these kids are having a hard time with volume. It's not the formula, it's the order of operations that they still struggle with. So that's great, because now when I'm teaching order of operations, my focus isn't on the formula, memorizing it, it's the steps of plugging it into the formula and taking that algebra part of it into play. So the second half of the problem rather than the first half of the problem. Okay. Oh, well, yeah, that makes sense. Or, oh, I'm kind of connecting the dots, but also allows me to create those small groups a lot easier because I can see they're not progressing or growing in certain topics. So can I give you this setup or this explanation, and can you turn around and finish it? You know, like I know based off of certain students, just because of their assignments that they've turned in, okay, well, for Nathan, I know that he actually really is actually great at the setup, or excuse me, the finish. So like he struggled with the setup, you know. So for me, this is nice because I'm giving him that kind of, okay, here's how we go from here, and I know he can finish out the problem, and then hopefully it helps him for the next one.